All right, everybody, I want to show you how to get on Zoom. If you've never done it before, hopefully this video will explain how to do that. So what I did was I uploaded the link to your Google Classroom. So if you go to your apps, and then from there you go to the Google Classroom. There are different times for the different class periods that I have. So you'll go to the website right here, it's zoom.us, and then you're going to go to where it says join meeting. Click on that, and you're going to type in the meeting ID. The meeting ID is on your Google Classroom, and then there's the password. So make sure you can do that for tomorrow. If you are going to do this on, you can do this on your laptop, you can do this on your phone. But if I understood correctly, I think you need to download the app onto your computer or your phone, whichever you use. So the information is here. It's on the Remind, and hopefully you got an email already from me that has the meeting ID and the password. All right, thanks, and see you soon.